Hi, my dear kids. Welcome to Vidyanagar online class. In the previous class, we have started the poem My Garden. Did you learn the poem? Yes, the title of the poem is My Garden, and who wrote this? Swapna Datta. Swapna Datta. Now, today, let's learn the remaining part of this poem. Okay, children? Listen it very well. Children, take page number 44. Let's start from the beginning of the poem, My Garden. There is a garden in my house, a garden full of flowers. I love to be there all the time and spend just hours and hours. There are roses every kind and lilies in the pool, sunflowers looking trim and bright, and jasmines white and cool. There is a lawn of velvet grass, so soft and oh so green, like a carpet beneath my feet, the nicest I have seen. Here we stopped in the last class, isn't it? Now let us read the rest of the poem. Okay? There are bulbuls, parrots too, and quails in the tree, and sparrows everywhere, and butterflies so free. There are bulbuls. Now, speaker describes about the birds and animals in the garden. Okay, which birds are there? Bulbuls. Bulbuls means what? Songbirds. It's singing. These bulbuls are singing. Songbirds with short necks and long tails. With short necks and long tails. Okay. And next, who is there? And quails in the tree. Quails means small songbirds with dark feathers found mostly in India. And it will not make nest, and it lay eggs in the another bird's nest. We call cuckoo also. Okay, quail means cuckoo, and quails in the tree, and sparrows everywhere. Sparrow, you know sparrow, a small bird, sparrow. Sparrows everywhere, and butterflies so free. Butterflies are so free to fly about the garden. Everywhere butterflies are flying in the garden. Okay, if we have a garden, all the butterflies, birds, animals will come and spend their time in the garden. Okay, and next one, the frisky squirrel with his nets. You can see squirrel also leap from one branch to another branch. The frisky squirrel. Frisky means doing something all the time, very busy, doing something all the time. Frisky means what? Doing something all the time. It means very busy always. Squirrel with his nets. What is the favorite thing of squirrel? Nets. I will show them all to you. Now, speaker, invite us to show this all. I will show them all to you. And after you have met them all, now speaker asks us to come and see her garden. She will show us these all things, birds, frisky squirrels, butterflies, quails, everything. After we met them all, she says us, after we met them all, you will love them like I do. You will love them. We also love these all like I do. What Swapna Datta or speaker or this poet does now, same the way we also love them. She says like that. Okay. Once again, there are bulbuls, parrots too, and quails in the tree, and sparrows, sparrows everywhere, and butterflies so free. The frisky squirrel with his nuts, I will show them all to you. And after you have met them all, you will love them like I do. Swapna Datta. Once again, read with me. There are bulbuls, parrots too, and quails in the tree, and sparrows, sparrows everywhere, and butterflies so free. The frisky squirrel with his nuts, I will show them all to you, and after you have met them all, you will love them like I do.
Okay, children. Now learn this poem very well because you don't have any written work today. Your work is to learn this poem. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you, my dears.